Hello guys, today we will learn about how to install PHP in our system, that is Windows. Okay, for that first of all open your browser. So let's open our browser and type PHP download in your browser. Okay, then click on the first link that appears. Okay, then click. Now you can see there are various versions of PHP available: 8.3.3 and 8.2.16 and 8.1.27. So here we will download of version 2. Okay, you can download any version as per your requirement or as per your wish, but we are going to download this one. Okay, so first for in that, click on this Windows download. After that, what you have to do is, you can see that there are two things: one is non-thread safe and another is thread safe, right? So go to this thread safe and download this zip file. So our download has started, right? I will cancel this because I have already downloaded this file. See, I have already downloaded that file. So click in this. Now after that, what we have to do is we have to extract this zip file of PHP. Okay, for that you click extract all, then you have to browse the location. We will be extracting this in this C drive. Okay, so go to C drive and then right click here, then create new folder. Okay, let's write the folder name PHP. That's our version 8.2.16, right? So we will simply give this name and then we will be selecting this folder, then select folder, then click on extract. Okay, so it is completely extracted and this file is completely extracted. So now what we have to do is we have to set the environmental path. For that, go to this PHP 8.2.16 folder, then click on this path, then copy it, Control C, then go to the start menu, then here type edit. Here you can see, after typing edit, you will see edit the system environment variable. Click there, then environmental variables, then scroll down and go to path, then double click that, then here simply what you have to do is, after going that, you have to click on this new button and click, then paste that part which you have copied. Okay, then okay, then okay. So now what you have to do is you have to check whether PHP is installed or not, right? For that, open your command prompt. For that, window plus run, then type cmd. Okay, then okay. Now your command prompt will open and here you have to simply type PHP version, then enter. Now you can see PHP is successfully installed in our system.